In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move buttons, Shopify. We'll walk through exactly where to go in your Shopify admin, how to open the theme tools, and how to reposition button elements using the built-in editor. By the end, you'll know how to shift a button higher or lower on a page, or within a section without touching any code. Start by heading to your Shopify admin and opening your store's home area. This is your control center, and it's where you access your themes and customization tools. Make sure you're working on the store and theme that you actually want to change, especially if you have multiple themes or a draft theme set up. From the home area, choose Customize Theme. This opens the visual theme editor, where the page preview appears on the right and the structure of the page appears in a left-hand panel. Think of that left panel as the map of your page. It lists sections, and inside those sections, the blocks like headings, images, and buttons. If you see an option to edit your theme from the themes area first, go ahead and open the theme you intend to modify so you're customizing the correct one. Once the editor is open, you're in the right place to move things around. Now focus on the left menu within the template you're working on. At the top, you can pick which template to view, such as the home page, a product page, or a collection page. Choose the page type where the button lives. In that left panel, expand the relevant section. For example, a button might sit inside a banner, a slideshow, a rich text section, or within product information on a product template. Look for a block labeled Button, Call to Action, or something similar. To move the button, click and drag the handle next to that block to reorder it within the section, or drag the entire section if the button is built into it. As you drag, watch the live preview on the right to see exactly where the button will land. Small adjustments like placing the button directly under a headline or above a description can make a big difference in clarity and conversion. If your theme offers settings inside the block, you can fine-tune the button's alignment, size, or spacing so it looks balanced after you reposition it. Also, remember to check the mobile preview using the device toggle in the editor. A button that looks perfect on desktop may need slight repositioning or spacing tweaks on smaller screens. When you're satisfied with the placement, you're done. If your editor shows a save option, make sure your changes are preserved before you exit. That's all it takes to move buttons in Shopify using the theme editor, simple, visual, and code-free.